y'all, my name is Rachel Whiteside, and this past summer I was a vendor management intern for Ashley Furniture Global Retail. My day-to-day activities were constantly different, but two things that were always the same was one, talking to vendors, and two, onboarding and exporting products. The way that I secured this internship was I found it on Google and I applied. I wasn't sure if I was gonna get it, but then within the next couple of weeks, a recruiter reached out and then set up a meeting on Teams with the team, and I got to meet them. And then within the next couple weeks, I got a job offer. Now looking back, my favorite thing about this job has definitely been the people I worked with. They've taught me so much. The three biggest things was one, how to act in an office space, two, how to work Excel efficiently and proficiently, and three, looking at numbers and telling a story on a weekly basis. My final piece of advice for next year's intern was to step out of your comfort zone and be open to new experiences and learn as much as possible. Thanks, y'all.